everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and welcome back to another video. I'm here today with the lovely Hannah again and I'm going to be showing you another really easy updo. I think it's one that you could try on yourself, so let's get started. Okay guys, so from my last video I had a little bit of back comb in the top here, so I've kind of kept that in, brushed it out slightly, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a random section from the top here. Brush over the top, make sure you can't see any back comb in that top area. And then I'm just going to take this section and just kind of gently twist it inwards like that. And then use my fingers to just tease out that section. Can you see how when I'm teasing out, I'm not taking a big chunk of hair. I'm just taking random little chunks like that. And I'm also going to bring these down as well. And then I'm just going to take some hair grips, guys, some bobby pins, and just push that up like that. I'm then going to do the same on this side. I'm not going to bother using like a comb to make a perfect line here. And then I'm going to get this section, but instead of twisting it right, I'm going to twist it left. And you can also take little hair grips and just pin inside there just to give a little bit of stability while you're doing your teasing outs. And then again guys, I'm going to take a section from this side. I'm actually going to break this one in two and just pass that top one over like that. And then again just start sort of twisting it and teasing it. And then I'm going to do the same on this side, guys. So I've got my section of hair. I am just going to break it into two, pass them over each other like that, start teasing out. And then again guys, I'll come back to the other side, you guessed it, I'm just breaking it in two, gently crossing them over and teasing out, spraying and pinning. If you do feel, guys, like there's a bit of a gap somewhere, don't forget you can go in with a hairpin and just lift them up. And then lastly, guys, I'm just going to split this hair into two. And I'm just going to take this left section and pin it over to the right. And then again, I am just going to kind of tease that hair out. I don't want it to look too perfect, especially with the rest of it being that kind of messy look. And then I'm taking this right hand side of the ponytail and just taking it into the other direction. So that one's sweeping that way and this one's sweeping this way. And then this little tail bit, guys, I'm going to take in the opposite direction again. Okay guys, that's the style done. I'm going to do a spin so you can see it from all angles. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.